Hi, welcome to Research Academy's YouTube channel. Today we will talk about a very unique LLM in India which many people are not aware of. That is the LLM offered by South Asian University in Delhi. Now this is a very good LLM for people who want to go into the details of international law and want to make a career in that in the field of academics or research, because this is tailored for people wanting to specialize in international law and for people who are interested in the field of academics as well as research. So if you're appearing for other LLM exams, do give this exam a try and see if you're interested in the courses that they offer. So let's talk about this LLM. So the duration of this LLM is 2 years as opposed to the 1 year LLM which is offered by NLUs. Now because this LLM is geared towards academics and research, so it's a 2 year LLM. So if you have that bandwidth to prepare and appear for a 2 year LLM, then do consider this option. There are 30 seats. You can see the division of seats into various categories on the website. Now coming to the specializations, which is the best part about the LLM which is offered by South Asian University. So as you can see, these are the courses that they offer as specializations. So you can get a specialization in legal theory and jurisprudence, various aspects of international law like international trade law, investment law, international human rights, humanitarian law, crime law, international human rights law, law of the sea, private international law, IPR, etc. So as you can see, this whole center is dedicated towards sharpening your understanding in international law. So if you're somebody who is passionate about international law and cannot afford or cannot is not willing to do a LLM from abroad, then you can definitely consider this institute in India for doing your LLM. Now let's talk about the eligibility for this exam. So like all other LLM entrance exams, you need to have your LLB or your BA LLB degree. So you can see that they have mentioned the minimum eligibility. Now they also take candidates from other SAU countries. So they have given us special qualifications for them as well. So as you can see, for you guys, you need to have either a 5 year integrated LLB or a 3 year LLB degree with minimum of 50% marks in the aggregate. So if you are eligible for this and if you are interested in international law, definitely check out the next segment, which is the entrance exam pattern. Now, LLM from South Asian University, getting into it is not that difficult, but the fact that there are very less number of seats actually makes it a little bit competitive. So the exam will be of 2 hour duration. You will have 1/4 of the maximum marks of negative marking, and you will get 100 MCQs which will be divided into two parts. Now let's see what are these two parts about. So part A and part B. In part A you will get 20 MCQs and in part B you will get 80 MCQs. So part B is about your legal subjects which they have mentioned that you need to be familiar with, and part A is your general knowledge section. So part A will have 20 MCQs in which they will test your GK, political science, geography, general science and civics. Now please understand that since they are offering you a master's in international law, their whole syllabus and their whole pattern for exam is also based on that. So when you will go to their website and check the sample papers, you will see that there are a lot of questions relating to general knowledge and all these areas relating and particularly in the context of international law. Now coming to the legal section, in which you will have 80 questions, you can see that they are testing three areas. First is jurisprudence, and in jurisprudence also they have given you the syllabus for it. So you can expect analytical school of law, pure theory of law, legal personality, sociological jurisprudence, ownership, possession, and rule of law. Then they will be asking you public international law. So they have again specified the syllabus. So you will have sources of international law, relation of international law and municipal law, principles of international law, and law of international organizations. And lastly, they will test international trade law, humanitarian law, IPR, and international environmental law and human rights law. So as you can see, the whole syllabus is geared towards testing your acumen for international law. So you can refer to any good book like Malcolm and Shaw or any other preparatory book for international law for covering all these areas. Now the exam notification is yet to come for this year, but generally the exam is held in late April or May. So if you are interested in preparing for this exam, do give their syllabus a try, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. And if you want to explore more LLM exams and how to prepare for them, then you can go to the link in the description and check out our courses. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.